Namaste, dear students. Welcome back. Hope you people are doing good. So, today I'm starting next video on indices. So far, we have done 8 problems in long type of questions. So, today I'm starting with 9th problem in indices. Okay, so 9th problem in indices I'm starting with. So, the 9th problem is all about which has been asked in the year December 2008, and the same question has been repeated in November 2012. Twice the same question has been asked. So it is asked in the year December 2008 and November 2012. So this is the question paper problem, so which has been asked twice. So the question is, simplify 4 to the power of m into 20 to the power of m minus 1 into 12 to the power of m minus n into 15 to the power of m plus n minus 2. Okay, so this is the first part, 4 to the power of m into 20 to the power of m minus 1 into 12 to the power of m minus n into 15 to the power of m plus n minus 2. Okay, divided by divided by 16 to the power m into 5 to the power 2m minus n into 9 to the power m minus 1. Okay, so this is the problem we have to simplify. So till now we have done so many problems where we have converted these bases into numerators value, that is with power values. Clear? So here also we have to do that. So while converting, we have to make sure it should be a common number. For example, now I am converting. Look at the problem. 4 to the power m. If you want to convert 4 simplified manner, 2 2s are 4. Correct? 2 into 2, 4. So that becomes 2 to the power 2 whole power m. Clear? At the same time, the bottom I have 16 to the power m. Denominator 16 to the power m. So for how many times? So 2 multiplied, so we get 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. Correct? So that means 2 to the power 4. 2 to the power 4. Correct? Getting my point? So that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So 2 to the power 4. So 16 value will become 2 to the power 4 whole power m. Clear? Into 20 is there. So 20 I cannot go with the directly. So if I want to equal to the 5, so how many times I have to multiply 5 to get 20? 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20. Correct? So 5 into 4, 5 4s are 20, m minus 1. So 5, that it is the same thing. So I am copying 5 to the power 2m minus n. Okay. So next 12 I have to convert. So converting 12, so below that we have a 9. So then 3 table we get 12, and here also 3 to the power we get 9. Correct? So 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, then 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. Correct? 3 4s are 12. or 4 3s are 12. Anything is fine. 3 4s are 12, 4 3s are 12. So that I am taking now 4 into 3. 4 3s are 12 to the power m minus n. Okay. So at the bottom I have 9. So this I can easily do that with the 3. That is 3 3s are 9. So 3 to the power 2 whole power m minus 1. Okay, so now left is 15 into, so I have not mentioned into, so into 15 to the power m plus n minus 2. So now for 15, for how many times I have to multiply by 5? 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. So 5 3s are 15 to the power m plus n minus 2. Clear? Any doubt? No doubt, right? Fine. So now what I am going to do is, I will multiply, I will simplify the factors now. Okay. So let me simplify. So that is 2 to the power 2 into m. So that becomes what? 2 to the power 2m into 5 to the power m minus 1. So 5 to the power m minus 1 into 4 to the power m minus 1. 4 to the power m minus 1 into 4 to the power m minus 1 again. 4 to the power m minus 1 again. So here this 4, can we convert it into 2? Just check out. Instead of writing 4, can we convert it into single, that is in 2 factors? Yes, right? 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So what we can do is 2 to the power, I'll continue here. This one I am writing now, 4. 2 to the power 2m minus 1. 2 to the power 2m minus 2. That is because I have to multiply by 2, right? So 2 to the power 2m minus 2. My into, again 4 is there. So if you convert it into 2 factor, 2 to the power 2m minus n. 2 to the power 2m minus 2n multiplied by 2. Okay. Into 3 is there. So 3 to the power m minus n. 3 to the power m minus n into 5 to the power m plus n minus 2 is there. So take down 5 to the power m plus n minus 2. Next 3 is there into 3 to the power m plus n minus 2. Okay, so divided by 2 to the power 4m is there. So 4 into m, 4m. So 2 to the power 4m into 5 to the power 2m minus n is there. So directly take 5 to the power 2m minus n into 3 to the power 2m. So 2m minus 2. Because 2m's are 2m. 2 minus 1's are 2. So that is 3 to the power 2m minus 2. So now this is the simplified version of this one, whatever I have written. Okay. So next, again re-simplifying the same, bringing all the things. So when bases are same, that can be added. Okay. So base 2m I am taking, 2 to the power 2m plus 2 to the power 2m minus 2. 2m minus 2 plus 2 to the power 2m minus 2n. 2 to the power 2m minus 2n. That's all for 2. Okay. Clear? Now take it into. So next number we have 5. So I am taking 5 to the power m minus 1. 5 to the power m minus 1. Look at, again 5 I have here, plus only powers m plus n minus 2. So m plus n minus 2 I have taken into. So last one 3, right? Yes, 3. 3 to the power m minus n. 3 to the power m plus n minus 2. m plus n minus 2. Okay. So now divide that. 2 to the power 4m, write it down. 2 to the power 4m into 5 to the power 2m minus n into 3 to the power 2m minus 2. Okay. So till that you are clear, right? No any confusion, right? Yes. So now add this, so that common m's and common n's, so that you will get an idea. So which are all commons are there, you can cancel that also, so that you can write the remaining factors. Okay. Suppose, see here, m minus n, m plus n gets cancelled. Here m minus 1 minus 2 is there. Okay, so that also we can cancel. So that is minus 1, that becomes minus 3, that is n minus 3, and 2m, that remains same. Okay, 2m, that remains same. So that we can do that. So then here also 2m plus 2m 4m plus 2m 6m, then minus 2, then minus 2n. Will cancel directly, so that we'll get the remainder. So here I have plus 2m minus 2m plus 2n. So since numerators are there, what we will do, so we will write it in a simplified manner, so that you don't get confused. So that to make you understand better, I am writing this. 2 to the power, how many m's? 2m, 2m 4m, 4m plus 2m 6m. Understood? 2m plus 2m 4m, 4m plus 2m 6m. So I am writing 2 to the power 6m minus only 2, minus 2, then I have minus 2n, minus 2n. Okay, into, understood, 5 to the power again. So what we'll do, first add m's. So that is 1 plus 2. So that is how many m's we have? 2m. Okay, 2m plus 2m plus how many n's we have? 1n. So I am writing n minus 1 minus 2, that becomes minus 3. Clear? Into. So here we have 3 to the power. So here how many m's we have? 1m, 2m. So 2m, 3 to the power 2m. Then we have minus 2, and plus n minus n you can cancel it. So plus minus n plus n I am cancelling. So then we have minus 2 over here. So minus 2. Minus 2. Okay. So divided by 2 to the power 4m into 5 to the power 2m minus n into 3 to the power 2m minus 2. Clear? So after this, now what we can do is, by applying a formula, that is law a to the power m divided by a to the power n, that is equals a to the power m minus n. So let us apply that law. So that becomes 2 to the power 6m minus 2 minus 2n, okay, minus, so how many power we have? 4m, 4m, clear, into 5 to the power 2m plus n minus 3 plus, when this 2m you are bringing up, that will become minus, so minus 2m plus n, this minus will become plus, into 3 to the power 2m minus 2 minus 2m plus 2, because when you are bringing up, that becomes 3, plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus. So now cancel the common. So which are all common? Plus 2m minus 2m, correct? Yes, no? Yes. So plus 2m minus 2m get cancelled, then n get cancelled, that is plus n and minus n get cancelled. So here we have minus 3 left with us, okay. So the same way, if you take plus 2m minus 2m get cancelled, plus 2 minus 2 get cancelled, 3 to the power entire thing got cancelled, correct? So next, if you come to this side, 6m 4m is there, so 2m left out, so we have left with what? 2 to the power 2m, okay. So then minus 2 minus 2n, minus 2 minus 2n, minus 2 minus 2n, okay, into 5 to the power only minus 3 left, minus 3, 5 to the power minus 3 left out with us, okay. So then can we do any simplification, any cancellation? No, right? So since we cannot do any simplification, any cancellation here, so this is going to be ultimate answer. You can write like this also, or 2 to the power 2m minus 2 minus 2n, okay, into 1 divided by 5 to the power 3. So this also you can present. So this is the answer. So this all simple problem, but you have to a little bit conscious while solving the problem, okay. So otherwise you will get confusion, okay. So we are done with this problem. So we are moving further to the next problem. So next problem is problem number 10. Problem number 10. So that has been asked in the year 2007, I think. Almost all question paper problem. So prove that x to the power L divided by x to the power m whole power L plus m into x to the power m divided by x to the power n whole power m plus n into x to the power n divided by x to the power L whole power n plus L equals 1. See, this is one of the easiest problem which we have already solved this kind of problem. So here the law which I am applying is a to the power m divided by a to the power n equals a to the power m minus n. Since bases are same, I will bring that, so that becomes Lm, okay. So that is x to the power L minus m whole power L plus m into x to the power m minus n whole power m plus n into x to the power n minus l whole power n plus l equals 1 we have to prove. Okay, so now multiplication we have to do. So that becomes x to the power l into l 2l l into l 2l minus m into m 2m. Okay, into now x to the power m into m 2m minus n into n 2n into x to the power n into n 2n minus l into l 2l. Okay, so now we have done this. So now since bases are same, powers can be added. Bases are same, powers can be added. So by applying that law, x to the power 2l minus 2l it is, x to the power 2l minus 2m plus 2m minus 2n plus 2n minus 2l. So this is plus 2l, this is minus 2l. Clear? Minus 2m plus 2m minus 2n plus 2n, everything is got cancelled. So x to the power of 0. So x to the power of 0 is always equals to 1 with the law of a to the power of 0 is equal to 1. Clear? So answer is 1. So we have proven that whatever he has asked. This is simplest problem, so which you can solve very easily. Okay, so next I am moving on to the next problem. So that is problem number 11. Problem number 11. This is also question paper problem 2007 I believe. So December 2007. So the problem is 6 to the power m plus n into 10 to the power n minus 1 into 25 to the power 1 divided by 2 divided by 2 to the power 2m minus 2 into 15 to the power m into 16 to the power 3 divided by 4 into 27 to the power 2 divided by 3. So again convert this into single which we can cancel, so with the common table, so that we have to work on now. So now 2 is here, so 2 again I have to match up. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So 2 into 3 whole power m plus n. Understood? So at the bottom we have 2 to the power 2m minus 2, that I have copied just like that, into 10 to the power n minus 1. Whenever 10 comes, what we will do? 2 into 5. 2 5s are 10 or 5 2s are 10. 2 5s are 10. So whole power n minus 1. Okay, the same way here into, so 3 5s are 15. So 3 into 5, 3 5s are 15 whole power m into 25 is there. So this we can bring it to LCM value, that is 5 1s are 5 5s are 25. Okay, so 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. So that becomes 5 to the power 2, correct? 5 to the power 2. Find the LCM for 25. 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. So LCM is 5 to the power 2. So 5 to the power 2 whole power 1 by 2. So into here 16 he has given. So 16, 2 into table you are going to get, correct? So 16 LCM is 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. So 2 to the power of 4 is 16. So 2 to the power 4 whole power 3 divided by 4 into 27 is there. So for 27 I think 3 table we have to find the LCM. So in 3 table we have to find the LCM for 27. So that is 27 9 threes are 27, 3 nines are 27, then 3 threes are 9, then 3 ones are 3. So 3 to the power of 3 is for 27. So then what we will do, 3 to the power 3 whole power 2 divided by 3. So now we are done with the conversion part. So now we can cancel the common factors. So what are common factors? 2 get cancelled, 4 get cancelled, 3 get cancelled. Understood? 2 cancelled, 4 cancelled, 3 cancelled. So next let us make a simplification note for this. That is 2 to the power of m plus n for this. 2 to the power 2 into m plus 1, 2 to the power m plus n into 3 to the power m plus n into 2 to the power n minus 1 into 5 to the power n minus 1 into 5 to the power 1. Okay, understood? Divided by, for this now, 2 to the power 2m minus 2 into 3 to the power m into 5 to the power m into 2 to the power 3, because 4 got cancelled, into 3 to the power 2, because 3 got cancelled. Okay, so now the common thing, the common numbers we are going to add. So that is only base value will remain same, 2 to the power m plus n plus m minus 1. This is m, I'm sorry, this is m. Okay, so plus m minus 1, that's all I have for 2. Next I have for 3, right? So let me do it for 3 now. 3 to the power m plus n. Okay, that's all for 3, into 5 to the power n m minus 1 plus 1. Okay, so next divided by 2 to the power 2m minus 2 plus 2 to the power 3. Okay, next I have 3 here, 3 to the power m plus 2. Next I have 5, so 5 to the power m. So that's all. So now the common factor, anything get cancelled, that is minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled. Here plus m are there, so that we have to go further on simplification. So the further simplification will carries like this. So the same thing I am copying, 2 to the power m plus n plus m minus 1. Okay, 2 to the power m plus n plus m minus n into 3 to the power m plus 2 into 5 to the power m divided by the same thing, 2 to the power 2m minus 2 plus 3 into 3 to the power m plus 2 into 5 to the power m. Okay, so now here this 3 to the power m plus 2, 3 to the power m plus 2 got cancelled, 5 to the power m, 5 to the power m got cancelled. So next line left out is 2 to the power m plus n plus m minus 1 divided by 2 to the power 2m minus 2 plus 3. So that becomes minus 2 plus 3 becomes plus 1, correct? Plus 1. Check out minus 2 plus 3. So 3 minus 2 is 1. So that is minus 1. So 2m minus 1. So simplify this, m into m, 2m. So we got 2m here. So 2 to the power 2m, 2 to the power 2m to the power 2m. So there is no n, I believe 2 to the power 2m plus minus 1. So that becomes plus 1, plus into minus 1 divided by 2 to the power 2m minus 1. So 2 to the power 2m plus 1, 2m minus 1 got cancelled, 2 to the power 0. So that is equals to 1. So the ultimate answer for this problem is 0. Clear? So any doubt you have? No doubt, right? Yes. And one more thing in this problem, the value of n, it has to be 2. So that is where we have done, we got stuck in between. So I believe you can note that. So this is 6 to the power of m plus 2. It is m plus 2. So if you put the value everywhere as a instead of n, 2, just mention 2. So you are going to get the answer 2 to the power of 2, 3 to the power of 2, like this. So everywhere the answer is going to get changed. Okay, so just change that. So you're going to get the correct answer. So I have not mentioned that. So directly I did that. So 2. So 2 minus 1 is plus 1. So that is where I stuck. So that this is the correct answer for this problem. Just change that 2 at the beginning, and we have done many problems like this, so you can refer that also. So I'm done with this problem. So I'll come back very soon with one more video. Till then, take care. See you soon. Bye bye. Stay safe, stay home, take care of your family members.